paradox is that if he didn't go, as much as the woman worries, she'd lose respect for him. You know, because then you're now, and I don't mean this in like it's negative. Your context for both, but you'd be the feminine version predominantly. So, well, yes, that matters to me, but I'm scared, right? Which is natural, but cowardice. And I thought about this. I actually discovered this running really early in the morning. And it was like the only one out. It was cold, and I was just to my thoughts. And the cardinal sin of a man. I think every vice that a man can have, as a man, like between men, stems from some form of cowardice. And
probably
cowardice is not having fear. You can be afraid. That's nothing. It's wanting something and allowing the fear to allow you to never get it. Right. And so using the context of women, since we're here about that, you see that woman, you're like, I'd love to meet her. Right. You can't assure that you'd get her, but you can assure that you go. And so to never even try and then have that be a repeating behavior in your life, in other areas, you're a coward. And then if that goes, let's say in a context where something went down and we're all scared or something, there's the three of us, something happens, Dwayne, me and Lewis are there, and let's say I run, right, and Lewis stays or something, then in that moment, all bonds, all trust, all gone.
It's gone, yeah.
Gone. Right. And if you think about it in a more archaic context, older context, if we're all going to war, the cardinal sin is cowardice. Because I need to know when we all charge, I'm not, look at,
you got to know your
and I'm the only one out. Right. It's like, if I know you're a coward within the group, they're kicking you out because you're a liability. Not because everybody's scared and wants to live and go see their family, but
survive.
If there's a coward in the mix or cowards in the mix, then when we charge, we're not 100 on whether or not you're coming, or whether or not when
whether
you get
you're going to be
ship.
able to shoot straight from behind us,
or if I'm in a situation you could help, but, and you duck out, right? And so it's a liability to have cowardice amongst your guys, and so. I look at that when I'm dealing with somebody to this day. I pay attention if they live their lives courageously, which does, again, it's not the lack of fear, but I can't have a guy around me who lives cowardly. Cannot. I don't trust him.